I'm starting this day off in a wet, horrible day. What a beautiful day for fireworks, like, come on. Couldn't get any better than this. That was sarcasm, by the way. But yeah, today I'm going to go down to my sister's and we're doing some fireworks there. Got some good fireworks coming, so hopefully, but yeah. Always when it comes to bonfire night, it has to rain, don't it? Well, it's not bonfire night. It is. We're doing it a bit early because obviously the kids are going to be at school and everyone's going to set them off on tomorrow's game. But I'm not there because I'm going to Nottingham Forest v Aston Villa tomorrow, which will be in a separate vlog. So if you do want to see that and don't want to see fireworks, make sure you hit that subscribe button, turn on channel notifications and be notified when I upload, and also hit that like button. You guys absolutely smashed the last video. We got like 314 views. So if we can get some subscribers, go and do that, and let's share the same love as we have got right now. But yeah, firework day. It's cold, it's wet, and it's miserable. And I just love being in Broome. I do. We never see sun. I don't know what that is. All we see is rain. No rain! But yeah, let's go see some fireworks. I've got my monster and we're ready to go. Oh, get me in that car. Oh, it's horrible. It's wet, it's nasty. Oh, I hate this kind of weather. But I've got fuel. I actually have a monster this time. Last time I said that in a vlog, I didn't actually have a monster. I brought a Costa. That makes total sense. It's cold. It is horrible. It is wet. I don't know how we're going to do these fireworks. I really haven't got a clue. Leave me a like. You're right, doggy. But yeah. As the day turns into night, as you already just established, as the day turns into night, the fireworks are instantly about to start. So if you are going to enjoy this vlog, or if you're enjoying it up to this point, go down there, leave a like, hit subscribe. It is free to do so. It will help me out loads, as I want to get up to 400 subscribers if we can. So hit that subscribe button, also turn on channel notifications to be notified when I upload. If you guys are here for the forest vlog content, you'll be getting a video tomorrow with Forest v Aston Villa. So go down there and comment down below some score predictions and see how we will do. But yeah, the fireworks are about to begin soon. We're just waiting for a few people to turn up and the night will go ahead. But yeah, also comment on there as well how to make these vlogs more interesting for your guys' faces, so I can like get better at these vlogging. So if you got any suggestions for me, any vlog ideas you want me to do, I'm going to be vlogging through Christmas as well. But yeah, might as well just wait for the day to start.
Sausage on your leg. See sausage. Sausage on your leg.
It's gonna blow.
What's your
Here comes the police, everyone run!
I set the alarm off on the car. Gate's open. Gate's open up there.
Oh, is it?
Yeah.
Why are you sleeping at this time? Get up! That'll get me up for school. But I don't work anymore, I don't go.
Let's go now. Finish.
Well, I could, but I'll just get called things because it's a bit weird me going into school now at 24 years old.
You need it.
That's someone else's, bro.
Boom! Oh, that one went flying the wrong way. Oh, that was a rubbish one. No, if that was an actual big...
Oh, yeah.
Ah! Don't shoot!
Is this dog?
Got myself a cheeky hot chocolate. Just can't beat that on a cold night. That big fire was mental though that we set off from that field. But if you are enjoying this vlog, make sure you go down there, hit the like button, hit subscribe, turn on channel notifications to be notified when I next upload, because tomorrow we are going to the Nottingham Forest game, meet Aston Villa, and see what we've got. So if you know any score predictions for you Forest people that want the Forest content, comment down below some score predictions. Who do you think's going to score it? And if you can, also comment me a lineup. Give me your idealist lineup for Nottingham Forest. But yeah, I think that's the end of the fireworks, to be honest. It's going to go mental next year. I think we're going to get more of them big ones. But yeah, gotta have myself not much left hot chocolate, but you know, it's cold, but we live by. If you did enjoy them fireworks, like I said, go down there and like that, hit that like button. But yeah, and that's the end of the fireworks now, so we'll be heading off soon. Well, it's currently the next day after the bonfire. I know I didn't record much. It's probably not one of the best vlogs I've done. It wasn't like an event. It was just literally a house fireworks with one big massive firework. So I really hope you guys did enjoy that. Something new for your guys' faces and for me to look back on for when I ever do move out. And I've got some pretty cool ideas when I ever get home about a bonfire night. But yeah, if you guys did enjoy this video, make sure you go down there, leave a like, hit subscribe if you're brand new. Let's reach them 400 subscribers. Turn on channel notifications to be notified when I upload. So I'm going to love you. I'm going to leave you. I really, really appreciate all the support from the last video. Like I said, we got like 314 to 319 views. We can do that again. You guys' support is the only reason I do this, and I absolutely appreciate it. And I'd love to one day, hopefully, give back to you with some new stuff throughout that you guys can support me and I can support you guys. But yeah, I'm gonna love you. I'm gonna leave you. I'm gonna get ready for the Forest game. And I'll see you guys in tomorrow's vlog. Probably about 7 p.m-ish. 6, 7 p.m-ish for the Nottingham Forest v Aston Villa. I'm gonna go. Adios.